Hi everyone. Today I am discuss about operators in Python. So actually these are the operators in Python: arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, ternary operator, and some special operators also there. So under the special operators, identity operator, comparison operator, and membership operators. So each and every operator we discuss right now as a practically. See, this is an arithmetic operator. I take a value is 20, b value is 10. So a plus b. So what is that value of the a plus b is a 30 is the result. Then a minus b means 20 minus 10. So result is 10. Then a into b is a multiplication of two values. 20 into 10. So result is 200. So percentage means remainder. So what is the remainder of a percentage b? So 0. So 20 by 10 is a remainder is 0, not quotient, is a remainder is 0. So a percentage b, it's a quotient. Actually it is a display always result is float only. Float means with fraction value. So the quotient value is generally 2, but it's a result every time is print only float. That's why the result is 2.0. Single slash means is a float, any value, both values are integer or float, no issue. So the result is print only float with the fraction value. Okay, but if this is a double slash means it is called floor operator. So actually here thing is, if both variables are integers, means here a and b, or these two variables are integers, then the result is integer only. If any variable is float, either a and b, any variable is float value, then the calculation result is float. But now it is a and b are both are integers. That's why the result is integer only. The result is 2. Now next one is a double star. Double star means it's a power operator. Okay, power operator. 2 a 2 stars and b. A power b. A power b means 20 power 10. The result is actually 20, 1024 and 10 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 zeros. Okay. See here. Py 2.py. So this is called result. So 30, 10, 200, 0, 2.0, 2, 1024. And then after that is a 5 zeros. And 5 zeros. 10 zeros. Totally 10 zeros. So this is a arithmetic operators. Okay, so here main thing is this is a single slash and double slash. Single slash means is always print result is float only, but here based on the variables, if both variables are integers, then the result is integer. If any variable is float, then the result is float only. Okay, and the next operator is relational operator. A greater than b, so the condition is true, then its result is true. A greater than or equal to, greater than or equal, then the condition is true, then is written true value. A less than b, a less than b means is a less than b, 20 less than 10, no, condition is false, then is written false, the result is false. A less than or equal to b, less than or equal, then if the condition is true, then written true, otherwise false. But now it is a false because a less than b is a fail, less than or equal to also fail. Next, a not equal to b. The statements are tell a not equal to b. A and b are not equal. Yes, both are not equal. Then it's written true. So first one is true, true, false, false, true. Check it. Py 3.py. The result is true, true, false, false, true. Okay. Next operator is logical operator. Logical means and or not. So and a and or not. These are the operators. Don't take as operators like this. This is not available in Python. Okay, so these are not operators, and or not. Okay, and means if both conditions are satisfied. Okay, a greater than b and a less than b, if both conditions are satisfied, then the result is true. Okay, or means any one condition is true, then the result is true. Any one condition is true, then result is true. Not means if the condition is true, then result is false. The condition is false, then result is true. Okay, reverse. Okay, here a and b, so a greater than b and a less than b. So a greater than b, okay, this condition is true, but a less than b is a condition is false. That's why it is a result is false. A or a greater than b or a less than b. So here a greater than b condition is true. Okay, that's why the condition is the result is true. A not a less than b. First of all, a less than b, the condition is true. A less than b, no, the condition is false. So condition is false, not false means the result is true. See here, py 4 dot py, false, true and true. Okay, so that is a logical operator. Next one is assignment operator. See here, a equal to b, equal to means is assign, the 10 value assigned into a, 10 value is assigned into a, print a value is now 10. Now here is group of values you can store at a time also. Here 45 stored into a, 67 is stored into b, 23 value stored into c. Then a and b, c, both three values are printed here. Then here common values, 99 value is stored into a, 99 value is stored into b, 99 value is stored into c. Then print a, b, c values. Okay, then here short form of the assignment operator. Now I take a value is 50, a plus equal to 20. So what is the short form? Like for suppose a equal to a plus 20. So actually this is a statement. The short form of this statement is a plus equal to 20. Okay, so here we can use any arithmetic operator in place of plus. Okay, in place of plus we can use any arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators means these are the operators. These are all operator we can use in assignment operator. Okay, here, okay, we can use any arithmetic operator. A plus equal to 20 means a equal to a20. So a value is now 50, 50 plus 20, result is 70. See here, py 5 dot py. This is the assignment operator. Single value assign the value we can store. Then group of values also we can assign into the group of variable, and the common value you can assign into common variables a, b, c, group of values. Okay, common value here. Here is 70. 70 is a assignment operator, short form of the assignment operator. Okay, this is called assignment operator. Now ternary operator. For suppose I take one variable a equal to 10. So ternary operator we define only within the single line only. Okay, the ternary operator contain one if and one else. So in if condition, here the condition is required a greater than, sorry, if 45 greater than 67. So the condition is true, then only a equal to 10. Otherwise print the a value is 90. See here, a equal to 10. Okay, directly if you print without this ternary operator, if you print this two statement only, a equal to 10, print a, then is print a value is 10. But here I am using ternary operator. So what happened here is a equal to 10, when it's become a equal to 10, if the condition is true. Okay, if the condition is true, the 45 greater than 67, the condition is true, then only the 10 value is stored into a, then print the value. Okay, so if the condition is false, then automatically control flow go to else. The 90 value is stored into a, then print a. Okay, now the condition is false, 45 greater than 67, no, condition is false, then automatically the 90 value is stored into a and print a value. So here the ternary operator is only within the single line only. Within this single line we define if and else, don't define more than one lines. Okay, see, for suppose here the condition is true, means 45 less than 67, the condition is true, then automatically the 10 value is stored into a, then print a value. Yeah, now his result is 10. Okay, so this is called ternary operator. So the ternary operator defined within the single line only, contain the ternary operator if and else. If the condition is true, then only the value is stored into a, then print the value. Here turn the functionality. So if the condition is false, then automatically the else statement, whatever value is there, the value is stored into a, then print a value. Okay, next one is special operators. What are the special operators? Actually is not, and comparison operator and membership operator. This is called identity operator. First we see identity operator. Identity operator means is not. Okay, these are two things are called identity operator. First, suppose a equal to 10, b equal to 20. So if you define like this, what happened actually? These are the two values are stored in same memory location, same memory location. Okay, so here this is stored in different memory location. Different memory location. Okay, so actually is operator is compared two variables memory. So if you take, these are the single values, same memory, same values, so it is stored only same memory location. So 10 have one memory, the memory also is pointed b variable, but here this is a separate memory allocation, this is a separate memory allocation. See here, first of all, how to know? Using the id keyword, id function, we can identify the memory. What is that memory? Okay, here also print id of e and print id of f. So here a and b, so id is a function, predefined function, it's print a address. id is a one function, it's print b address. id is one function, it's print e address. id is one function, it's print f address. See here, py 7.py. See here, above two values address are same, but below two variables values are different. So a b values, these are the addresses. Okay, same address. Okay, single memory, same address means single memory, but here it's maintained different memories. Okay, so here is compared to variables address. So for suppose a is b, means what is the meaning of that one? A and b values address are same, it tell b. So it tell a and b values address, it's compare address. So both variables address are same. Yes, these are the both variables address are same, that's why it's written true. But here is not means both variables address are not same. See here, the output is true. Okay, because of these are the two variables address are same. But next, false means is true means true, next is not means false automatically. See here, if you take e is f, print e is not f. So now e is f means e and f address are same. Yes, same, it's tell. Okay, is it same? No, it's the different address memory, so it's a false. So e is not f means e and f variable address are not same. Yes, it's true. Okay, this statement is true, but this statement is false. See here, yeah, false and true. Okay, that is a identity operator. Then what about comparison operator? Comparison means it is a comparison two variables values. Okay, is compare two variables values. So values a and b values, identity comparison operator. Comparison means double equal to, print a double equal to b and print e double equal to f. So here also a value is 10, b value is 10. Here also, sorry, a value is 10, b value is 10. Here e value is 10, 20, 30, 40, f value is 10, 20, 30, 40. Both values are same. So that's why both values are true and true. Okay, next one is membership operator, in not in. So it is member or not, it will check the value is member or not. So here for suppose f in e and print f not in e. So it is a member or not, f is in member e, then it's written true. F not in e, then it's written true. Okay, so actually f is contain e. Yes, 20 values contain e, but this is true. First one is true. This statement is true, but it is a false because of not in e. No, it is available. 20 is available in e. Is it belongs to or not? See here. Py 7.py. True and false. Okay, so this is called special operator. Those are identity operator and comparison operator and membership operator. Okay, thank you.